Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. We are reporting live in Zvishavane, where the JM construction workers are reconstructing roads in the Kadondo communities as well as Novo.
Is still in progress, as you can see here in Novo. This is no longer an idea, as physical progress is being made as construction machines are working. Progress is being made and a couple of roads in Novo are ready for use. Residents in Novo are happy about the program and are really proud.
We are going to be interviewing residents so that we know how they feel towards the ongoing project of road construction being held by the JM Constructing Company. Tinamai vedu mugari wemuno mukandodo community toda kuti vatiudzwe kuti vari kunzwa sei pakugadzirwa kuitwa nzira dzavo. Mama munonzwa sei nekugadzirwa kuitwa nzira dzavo?
Zviri kutifadza kuti nzvimbo yedu yachena yanga ichisemesa zviri kuchinjwa dzati tawakugara makanaka tawakutishlira korera zvino munzvimbo medu manaka nzvimbo mashanduka.
Aiwa, tinotenda mama. Muri Zimbabwe ndofunga mazvinzwira kuti vagari vemuno mukadondo vari kunzwawo sei kubudikidza nekugadziriswa kukuitwa migwagwa yavo.
Roads had worn out and it was difficult for transport movement.
Salabona bazalwane khathesi Zvishavane ekandodo lapho abantu abahlala khona eZvishavane izwa kanjani ngendlela ezizinto eZvishavane?
Thina njengemuli eZvishavane kuyintuthuko ezikakhulu ukubona izizalwane zeZimbabwe zisakha imigwaqo ngoba kuyayehlisa izingozi zabantwana besikoleni. Imigwaqo yakhona nginanzelela ilama-speed humps ukuthi ama-hump lawa bencedisa ukubana izimota zibe zisima kuma-humps lawa abantwana besikolo bechapha okungangokuthi izingozi ziyabe zisehla ngokunjalo.
Alright. Abazalwane bathi khona ukuba izindlela i-advantage ukuthi indlela zilungisiwe ama-accidents sereduciwe into enhle enziwa eZvishavane City Council.
Ladies and gentlemen, with me is a resident from here who is going to brief us on how he's feeling due to the construction of roads in Kadondo.
Well, it's quite fortunate that we are getting to see this kind of development in our community, and I'm really happy, like really happy, and I believe I'm speaking for all the other residents that live around here who are really overwhelmed by the construction of these roads. These roads were really bad and in a bad state, so we're really happy.
You have heard from the horse's mouth, as all the people in this township are happy due to the construction of roads, as the roads are believed to Upon completing the road construction project in 2 months' time, it is believed it is going to offer more efficient road networks and also enhancing regional connectivities. Thank you.